Alright, today is Saturday, January the 15th, and we are halfway through the month of January. Can you believe that? We are already mid-January. We're on the 15th mark, and look how cold it is. It's right at 30 degrees. Right at 30 degrees. Let's go check and see what Steven is up to. This is our new bumper. In that lovely box, and what makes it even more lovely is it says made in the USA. That makes it even nicer that it was actually made in the USA. So Steven will be replacing that. Woo, it is cold, 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 and look, the wind is blowing. Look at that. See, the flag is blowing. Cold wind, cold wind. All right, so let's go check in and see what Steven is doing. Yesterday was our big trip to Nashville yesterday. And so Steven, what is your project that you're working on right now?
Well, I just rubbed all the scratches and gouges and rubber off that wheel. This one's not too bad. That's the way it goes. You get one thing and 10,000 things fall out.
Cold, cold, cold.
But I had to get all that rubber gouges and everything.
Well, here, point.
This here I'm not going to be able to rub off. That's going to have to be painted.
That you can't rub that off.
I got to fix this. See, if I was telling you water to get under there in the fiberglass, it's already starting. Fiberglass is popping out. So I'll have to sand this all down right about to here. Get that down to raw fiberglass. Repair it. And then paint it. And that there I can probably touch up. Touch that up. This one I can probably rub out. Then I'll clean up that wheel. Have to go over these threads here.
Oh, and it knocked off all the knockoffs, right?
Yeah, that's what happened. It started on that side of the truck, went over the bumper, came down off this side of the truck. And if you don't believe me, just look at the evidence.
Is that why it's called the knockoffs? Are that's why they call knockoffs?
Because they get knocked off.
So, and they were all left at the scene of the accident, right?
Yeah, they were somewhere in pieces.
Oh, and what are you gonna do about this? How are you? Is this something they'll be able to rub out?
What?
This paint over here on the. Well, actually, you're replacing the bumper, so.
The bumpers.
Yeah, you're just gonna replace the bumper. And this the new bumper is not gonna have any lights in it.
Yeah, no lights.
Boy, it really made this one come up. Yeah. So this bumper here, because it knocked out the lights anyway.
Yeah, those lights were $25 a piece.
Each one of these lights, like each one of these single lights, was $25.
Not the orange ones, but the ones that had the computer chip in them.
Oh wow.
The ones that blinked.
Oh, and check that mirror out. Wow, that's all busted up. Now you had already lost a mirror even before the accident.
Yeah, that's the mirror that popped.
Oh, this is the one that popped because of the temperatures. Oh. Okay. Whoo, it's cold. So the knockoffs that were knocked off, you didn't go pack and pick them up then?
No.
Because they were all.
If they were knocked off, they were no good.
So. And you're changing the colors up, aren't you?
Yeah, they're gonna be black this time.
So now, do you have the knockoffs in the other? Oh, you didn't put them. Oh yeah, you did. Okay, so this is what was knocked off. Isn't that right? These things here. Yeah. All right, so but you're gonna leave these silver, right?
Yeah, I'm not changing those. Those are brand new.
All right, so.
In fact, these are brand new. It was brand new.
All right, so these.
Put all these brand new and took the old ones and put them on the trailer.
so cold. Ooh. All right, so this is what we bought yesterday. They were like $1 a piece, weren't they?
$2.23.
These were $2.23 a piece. Oh man! Here, take it out of the bag. Let me see it. My hands are cold.
Ow.
So you spent about $700 and something yesterday. 500.
$771.
771. 500 of it being the bumper. Oh!
Richie just gonna tear him up.
No, I'm just cold. I don't have any gloves on. All right, so these were.
See, they already knocked the paint off of them.
Oh, what?
Yep.
No, where?
Right there.
No.
Yep. Leave it to Wreck-It Ruthie.
Wreck-It Ruthie.
Already knocked the paint off. Ain't even got them on yet. Never let Ruthie be around anything valuable.
That's not nice, Steven.
I'm not trying to be nice. I'm just.
You're not trying to be
I'm
nice.
just trying to warn people. Ruthie is.
He calls me Wreck-It Ruthie, like Wreck-It Ralph, like Ralph broke the internet type of thing.
If it can get broken, Ruthie's gonna break it. That's how you know that F-150 is one good truck, because she put 100,000 miles on it and it still survived. My Camaro, she drove it for a week and it was ready for wrecking yard.
Steven, now look, that is so not true.
I was talking to a friend of mine and I heard this awful noise where a car bottoms out when they go over a dip too fast and scrapes. Oh wow, somebody's tearing their car up. And then I heard it again. Oh! And then here comes my car around the corner. Oh no, that's when I decided to trade it in and got an F-150.
That was 17 years ago this month. That was 17 years ago this month. It was January of 2005.
Change these out to black. I've never had black on them before. But
So what made you just...
It's a black truck. I figured, what the heck, we'll try it out. Then if I would have got my fenders yesterday, I would have had black fenders in the back, but they didn't have them. So.
You didn't get the mirror or the fenders.
Yeah, well, they ain't got them, they ain't got them. I was fortunate to get a bumper. 4 to 6 weeks out or where else.
Did you enjoy spending the day with me in Nashville? I enjoyed being with you.
Yeah, it was hamburger delicious.
No, it was fun. It was really fun, Steven. It was fun. I enjoyed spending the day with you and seeing all the Peterbilts.
Yeah.
Of course,
you like looking at Peterbilts, huh?
But of course, that camera, that photo calendar made you sad.
Yeah, that's what the black looks like. You have to get away from it. Get it from this angle since that side's tore up. That's the new look.
Are they secured on? Are they secured on there now?
Yeah, don't go break them.
I'm not gonna go break them.
There you are.
No, I'm not.
Don't get close to them.